Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PBR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint with the big gap down, but I mean just absolutely monster volume on the day. So moral of the story, a lot of eyeballs going to be watching this one moving forward. So first thing I'm going to do, though, is just because it was such a big gap down, it's really throwing off the proportions. So I'm going to go ahead and slide this over here just so we can see a little bit more of what's going on here. Because the main dynamic here that, and I don't mean to state the obvious, but just to set some context here, but there was a nice bounce that occurred. I mean, the price had been all the way down here, then the price bounced all the way up there. And yeah, now the price is pulling back. So it becomes a more than valid question of, all right, was this cat just a dead cat bounce? Is it all over as far as that, upwards movement? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, 785, definitely a very important level to watch moving forward. And I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 785, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would be putting the price quite literally right back to where it was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not really a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But again, I'm not saying that'll occur. And to be fair, no price can just go straight up either. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves like that, difference being then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to start to show some signs of progress. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, the sign of progress will be by staying up above 785. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, key level to watch very closely right up there at the 807 mark. So 807, very important level, and just keep an eye on that moving forward if this bounce continues. But overall, yeah, rough day, but we'll see if this thing can try to get itself turned around. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.